go past the fence. Road to dead people and don't go onto the football field. Press the fuels display. Everyone got that? Yep. If there are people...
There we go.
Can I catch a ride?
No, you guys need to exit the field.
Okay.
Mike.
Yep.
Drive me.
Fine, fine.
Oh, let me get a ride.
No, he's driving me around to shoot people.
Here.
Head that way. No, through the grass that way.
No, I'm trying to go over there, then go.
Well, you can't go over here because it bottoms out.
It does?
Yes.
I don't know where the best place to drive is.
That's what I said, go that way.
But there's a whole, never mind.
You can go over brush, that's not a problem.
Oh, okay. This thing didn't drive that fast, so I didn't think it would have the capability of doing that.
Oh no, it
And I remember Grandy drove over a rock once, so that kind of flashed.
That was the Cadillac.
That was the Cadillac. Shouldn't a Cadillac be able to drive over something like that? Tell me where.
Just keep going that way. Ryan, do you have a target you would like hit? Do you have a designated target you would like hit? All kind of bunkered up over there. Everybody on the left, if you do not move up, I'm going to shoot a rocket over there.
Red team, move up. Move up, quick out.
Give him a couple seconds.
Oh, I know.
Cover and fire. Cover and fire. Make sure you guys put your weapons. Pull your weapons.
You're wasting gas.
Just fired them. It's been like a minute. You warned them. Get the guy right there at the bunker. Can you get him or should I move forward? You're out! Nice. Nice. You want to get out?
Drive me over there to get the rocket.
Alright. That was awesome.
Campers get shot! Campers get shot! Don't run that side. Run there.
Oh, okay. Can I go around that way or should I?
Just stop right here, I'll get out.
Alright. Oh. Nice. Dude, I'm in love with that thing.
Huh?
Will Randy make
Wanna
one?
shoot it?
Yeah, man, I would love to shoot that. I'm shooting at my own team.
And for the guys that just run
Alright.
center block, when you go to fire,
Yeah.
push the safety in and then pull the trigger. Remember to arc it up just a little bit. Exit. Huh? You can watch it again.
Oh.
Yeah, every time you pull the trigger, it does it.
Dude, I'm in love with that thing. I'm in love with
I
that.
like it better than Gillies.
Oh God, dude, Gillies is awesome, but that's awesome too, just because it's so small and so light. I could probably, if I
The only
had
thing
one.
we've been complaining about
Yeah.
is the tank needs to be bigger, or make it to where it's a backpack unit.
Like a
With a cable on
scuba tank kind of.
Yeah.
Get the guys. Keep moving or I'll fire a rocket at you!
You can't. It's like so much open ground.
And? You really think that's gonna stop him?
He's gonna shoot you, yeah.
Oh yeah, like I'm just warning them.
Oh, and he got my friends, I think. That's a good rocket.
Dude, I want Randy to make me one of those.
Do we switch sides now?
Mike, you're having way too much fun! Alright.
Get all the way over there.
Alright.
We need to go over to the bunker hill.
Alright. right through enemy fire.
That way. Go out and around that thing.
Right through there.
Watch the wood.
See, this is why I didn't want to go through the brush.
There's no players that way. Ah. I didn't see him in there. I didn't know anybody was in there. We kind of told him to stay out. Let's find some red players.
Alright, I'll go that way.
Move up, red team!
Move up or I'll shoot you with a rocket! You gotta kind of warn them. Because they're not gonna move.
Well, I wasn't gonna tell them to. I wasn't gonna shoot at them. I just told them they need to move up.
Really? Really, you're not gonna shoot at them? You just said like 3 seconds ago, let's go find some red players.
Yeah, but I gotta find campers.
Oh, there's. Oh wait, no, those aren't. Are they? No, they're not.
Not really.
That guy right there's a camper right there at the top of the bunker.
Where?
Right there. See? Right there.
He just moved up there though.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he lives down here.
It's hard to tell. Practically anyone in a bunker, I don't see why they would move. Oh, there you go. There's a guy right there. Oh wait, is he? Oh, he's blue. Never
Yeah,
mind.
he's just walking around. Nobody's shooting at him.
Oh my god.
You guys are out.
I guess that's the end of that. Go get your last shot before everyone's gone. Huh?
You just want to shoot someone again.
Hells yeah, man. I feel like I'm doing drive-bys right now.
Let's go.
How many times can you say in
Let's go
airsoft and that you do a drive-by?
I do it all the time.
Oh yeah, well I know you do.
Go. Step on it. That
I
way.
am. Look at my foot.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, I know. Uh-oh.
That way.
I know.
Let me turn there.
There we
You
go.
are dead. You need to have your dead flag out.
Now we're getting some speed.
Yeah, because it's all downhill. Turn. Go that way.
That way?
See, that's it.
That's it? Oh, well, here's the guy.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. You want to shoot him?
Keep going.
Oh. Oh, there you go, right there.
Yeah, but Craig's over there. Stop. You guys! The guy shooting you over there is not your teammate. And even then, friendly fire counts. You need to exit.
We know he did, though. Just hold your gun above your head.
Now you're dead.
Oh my God, Mike, I'm in love with this. Oh my God. Oh, that was beautiful. That was beautiful.